In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn TradingView alerts into automated trading with TradingView, focusing on building a strategy that can execute trades seamlessly. So, if you're ready to get started with automating your TradingView strategy, this tutorial is for you. First, we begin by creating a TradingView strategy or indicator. You can either write your strategy in PineScript or use an existing one. If you're writing a custom script, make sure to include the alert condition function. This integral function allows you to establish alerts whenever entry or exit signals occur. For example, if you're coding an EMA crossover strategy, define your moving averages using the t.ema function and set up conditions to open long and short trades whenever the EMAs cross. Incorporate alert condition to trigger the alerts that we will use later for automated trading actions. Once your strategy is ready, it's time to set up alerts in TradingView. Right-click on your chart and select the Add Alert option. You'll see fields to define your conditions. Choose the conditions set in your custom script, such as long entry for a buying opportunity or short entry for a selling condition. Under Alert Actions, make sure to select Webhook URL and paste your designated webhook endpoint. This will act as the URL to which TradingView will send the alerts. Because TradingView doesn't facilitate direct trading executions, you'll need middleware to bridge the signal from TradingView to your broker or exchange. Several options are popular for this task. Notable tools include Trading Connector, 3 Commas, Wonder Trading, and AutoView. If you prefer something more customizable, a personal webhook server using programming languages such as Python or Node.js can be useful. These middleware solutions listen to TradingView's alerts and send API requests directly to your trading platform. Connecting to your broker or exchange is the next step. To do so, generate an API key and secret from your exchange account, be it Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, or any other supporting platforms. Input these credentials into your middleware or custom script. When a signal is issued from TradingView, you'll send a structured JSON message with the necessary trading instructions. For example, the JSON should detail the action, such as buy, and include specifics like the symbol, quantity, and order type. Before moving to live trading, it's essential to test your setup in paper trading mode. Use demo accounts or paper trading features to observe the automation process without financial risk. Verify that orders are getting sent and processed correctly to ensure your strategy runs smoothly in real-world scenarios. Follow these systematic steps, and you'll have a fully automated trading strategy using TradingView alerts.